Sorry I kept you waiting forever and a day, but now we're out here together with nothing standing in our way. Can you feel the attraction?
The Keystone KSTAD70B is an excellent low-cost alternative to many of the more expensive 70-pine dehumidifiers on the market. This unit retails for just under $200, making it the least expensive 70-pine dehumidifier we tested. This unit has received an exceptionally high percentage of positive consumer reviews. Reading those online consumer reviews, you'll find one consumer after another telling you just how great this dehumidifier is. Going into our own review of the Keystone, we knew that consumers loved it, but how would it fare when put under the strain of our 4 hands-on performance tests? Also, were these same consumers missing out on any features or functionality because of the unit's lower price point, but just weren't aware of it? We try to answer these questions as we tested the unit for energy efficiency, noise output, moisture removal rate, and hygrometer accuracy. We also carefully compare this unit's features and functionality to that of its more expensive competition. Let's get started with its performance test results. We're going to end this video review by highlighting some of the unit's most important external features, including its control panel, which we're showing you here, its condensate collection bucket, its power cord and handles, and any drainage functionality it may be equipped with, just to give you a better idea of what you'll be dealing with on a practical level if you end up purchasing this dehumidifier. From all of us at Dehumidifier Buyer's Guide, thank you for watching. If you found this review helpful, please like this video. If you have any questions or concerns about this particular unit, please leave a comment below and we'll do our best to get back to you as soon as possible. Thanks again for watching.